Good afternoon. My name is Mazen Jadala. This is Mehmet Faber, and we're the co-founders of AlphaClone. AlphaClone is a new investor service that lets any investor replicate the performance of the world's top fund managers through a process called cloning, which invests in the top stock ideas of the world's foremost investors. At the time that those ideas are disclosed publicly, you can become a better investor. Let's go through a simple example. Everybody knows who Warren Buffett is, one of the foremost investors in history. This is a clone of Warren Buffett's top 10 holdings. What that means is the clone is investing in Warren Buffett's top 10 positions every quarter when Warren Buffett discloses it publicly. Investing in this clone means you beat the market by 10 percentage points annualized over the last 10 years, which is fantastic performance. And AlphaClone shows that performance not only graphically, but also in the table below the graph. What makes this clone and every clone that AlphaClone generates investable and actionable is that we show you what the current holdings of the clone are every quarter. These are the 10 largest holdings for Warren Buffett, which is a part of this clone. You can also view the clone's past portfolio, so you can see how the portfolio for the clone has changed over time. And next quarter, we'll automatically update the clone for you based on new information. You don't have to invest in Warren Buffett's top 10 holdings, although based on the results that you're seeing, that's a really good idea. We also can clone Warren Buffett's top 1, 3, 5, or 20 holdings. We can also clone his best ideas, which is basically investing in his largest new positions every quarter. All clones are back-tested to the year 2000, so you have 10 years worth of performance history, and all of them are generated instantly and automatically through our clone generator. We track over 250 fund companies. We track over $3 trillion in market value every quarter. All of our clone portfolios, and there are thousands of them, are updated daily for performance and quarterly for their new holdings, all automatically, all on demand. AlphaClone allows you not only to invest in clones of individual managers, you can also invest in clones of groups of managers, which allows you to tap the collective intelligence in groups of top investors. Here's another example. The Tiger Cubs are an AlphaClone group that we've generated that are comprised of 20 famous hedge fund managers, all of whom got their start from Tiger Management. Now, if you try to invest in real life with these hedge funds are probably closed to a vast majority of investors. But we've cloned them in a group, and investing in the 10 most popular stocks amongst the group means you beat the market by 17% annualized over the last 10 years, which is fantastic performance. And just like Buffett, the Tiger Cubs top 10 popularity clone also shows you what the 10 most popular stocks are this quarter, how they've changed over the last 3 quarters, and next quarter we'll update it automatically for you as well. Also like Buffett, you can clone different strategies. Top holding, best ideas, popularity, all instantly. The Tiger Cubs fund group is based on a pure hedge fund investment theme, but we've created fund groups over many different investment themes. So if you want to do sector investing, or international investing, or asset size investing, or ETF investing, there's a fund group for every type of investing theme and various types of investing themes. And all of them have access to all of the clone strategies instantly and on demand. AlphaClone's most powerful feature, though, is the ability to allow any user to custom create their own fund group and generate clones based on that fund group instantly. Let me give you an example of how you would use that. Let's say you had a hunch that the energy sector was oversold, and you wanted to add exposure to the energy sector to your portfolio over the next three or four quarters. With AlphaClone's Create Your Own Fund Group feature, you can quickly filter through the list of 250 funds For example, let's filter for just hedge funds. Then we can take that hedge fund list and sort it by the top sector that was allocated for each fund from the prior quarter. We can scroll down and pick the 6 funds that had the energy sector as the top sector in the prior quarter. We can go back up and filter that group of 6 funds for just their energy picks. We can give the group a name. Let's call it Finovate Energy in honor of our hosts. And then if you scroll down to the bottom, there's one N in Finovate, by the way. If you scroll down to the bottom, create my fund group, it takes less than 30 seconds to create the fund group and generate all of the clones for the fund group. In the interest of time, we've already created the fund group. Here are the 6 funds. And it just so happens, by investing in their top holding energy clone, the clone returns 17% annualized since 2000. And just like the Tiger Cups clone and the Warren Buffett clone before it, the holdings for that clone are at the bottom of the page, so you know what energy stocks to invest in, and it will be updated automatically every quarter so that you can continue to rebalance your portfolio to match the clone. It's that simple. It's that easy. There are thousands and thousands of portfolios. So we created the leaderboard. And the leaderboard allows you to quickly get at the best performing clones based on criteria that you define. So just as a quick example, let's say you wanted to view all clones based on individual funds over a 5-year period based on the amount of alpha that they generate. You can instantly rank the entire clone universe. There are 25 funds that match on the list, and as you can see, the annualized performance for these funds is 20, sometimes close to 30% annualized. It's that instant. Click on any of the links,